Welcome. In front of me I have Android smartphone and the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, and I'm going to show you how we can customize the touch controls on this earbuds. So at the first we have to open the Galaxy wearable application and open the charging case to let them connect to the app. After that we have to scroll down to go for the touch controls, and here we are able to adjust some gestures from the left or the right earbud. So we can active noise cancelling, and it is set up as the default. But the most useful is to set up on the left the volume down and on the right the volume up. So we can also change it, the volume settings on the voice command and on the right, and you can, for example, lift the left one or the active noise cancelling. And currently we are able to set up the 4 default gestures. So there is active noise cancelling, voice command, volume down, and on the right it's volume up. So that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.